Hi everyone, my name is Jill Claren and welcome to my course Building Websites with HTML. I'm the CTO of Experiments Belgium and work on mobile and web projects. The web is a magical place filled with billions of websites. No matter how simple or complex the website is, each page on the web is built with HTML, the cornerstone of the internet. HTML is a markup language that, together with CSS, allows developers to create modern websites used by billions of users every day. This course will teach you how to build a full website with HTML and CSS. You'll learn the basics of the HTML language, create your first web page, bring in images, add navigation and links, and learn about tables. You'll understand about the HTML content model and will see how we can bring in styles. Some of the major topics that we will cover include: learn the HTML syntax to create web pages, create a welcome page with text, images and navigation, understand the semantic HTML elements to create a common page structure, reusable for many other web pages, create links between different pages and add bookmarks, bring in support for styles even with CSS, improve your site by adding some basic JavaScript. By the end of this course, you'll have a good understanding of HTML and you'll have built a real-world website. With this knowledge, you can build your own websites with ease. No prior knowledge is expected for this course. I hope you will join me on this journey to learn how to build websites with HTML with the Building Websites with HTML course here at Pluralsight.